Hi friends, this is Sawan Kumar and welcome back to today's session of growing your business digitally with me. So, today I will be talking about a unique perspective of looking at having a website or having a digital presence. Is having a website essential for building up your digital presence? Is it really important for small businesses? If we talk of small businesses, do they really need a website on day one? Is that not only increasing their costs and not giving them any benefit? We for small businesses strongly suggest that they seriously give a thought over, do they really need a website? Why do they need a website? They should have this clear answer of why do they need a website, and are they ready to have a website? Because just having a website is not going to help you go digital, is not going to help you grow your business digitally. So you need to have an answer to yourself first. Why do you need a website? Most of the small businesses, if I would have to say, do not need a website on the first day when they are starting their business. When they are starting off, they do not need a website. Yes, you heard me right. You do not need a website on the first day of your starting the business if you want to grow your business digitally. This is not the first element, this is not the last element that you should be having if you want to grow your business digitally. How you can grow your business digitally without building a website, without having a website? There are so many things that you can do today without incurring a lot of costs, yet building up something good, something cool. This has become a trend that if you want to go digital, you first have to have a website. Let us figure out why having the website is not the most important thing if you want to grow your business digitally. Number one, today with the kind of opportunities and the options that we have around us, like having a Facebook page, like having a LinkedIn page, where we can talk everything that we want to about our business. We can offer the products, we can offer services, we can sell products, we can sell services, we can do a lot of things on these social media things, on these pages that Facebook gives us or LinkedIn gives us or all those different social media platforms gives us. We can utilize those platforms, and the best part is that they are free. They are absolutely free, they do not come at any cost. And if you do not have a high budget, which normally small businesses do not, I say that you should be focusing more on building up the network, connecting with more and more people, and in place of taking them to your website, get them to your Facebook business page. Get them interact with your Facebook business page, your LinkedIn business page, your LinkedIn company page. Interact with them. Create a lot of content, create a lot of articles, blogs. All of these things can be done on your social media pages, right? So, to have a digital presence, you do not essentially need a website. So, number one was you can build the same amount of presence. You can build the same amount of, showcase your who you are, what you do, the services and the products. That is what we need a website for primarily, if you showcase what we do, who we are, and how we do what we do. So all of these things can be showcased in a very efficient way on these social media pages, right? So why do we need a website? We do not need one. The next thing is, the website in itself is not helping you in getting anywhere, because the websites that we see today around are not built with a marketing or a sales focus. Mostly they are just built up technically, but they do not connect with the sales and the marketing team. So if you are a startup and you really want to connect with the people and connect with your leads and customers, social media is an ideal platform that you just need to figure out which social media platform you should be most active on, and what are the other platforms that you can choose to be lesser active on. So choose which platform works for you best and start doing a lot of activity over there. Interact with a lot of people, be connected, get connected, share a lot of useful information with them over there, and make some genuine followers. Once you have those followers who follow you, once you have those followers who are interested in your business, who are genuinely interested in you, they will not need to get on your website, because they are anyways finding all the information on your Facebook page. Even the algorithms that Facebook has today, or YouTube has today, or LinkedIn has today, they do not want users to move out. They do not prefer users moving out from their platform. And if you are saying to your users, okay, click on this link and go out of Facebook to see my website, Facebook does not like this. Facebook does not want this to happen, and they will not promote you or promote your post. So why not should we stay on that same platform and still give the maximum amount of information that we can and connect with so many people? You see, anyways, even after we build the website, we are going to come back to these social media platforms and given a lot of money here to spend or to market. Why not do we start from these places, build up activity, build up people, build a community, build a group of followers, and then look at ways of having a website? We need to reverse engineer certain things. Then what we need to do have is other essential thing that we need to have in addition to the social media pages is a CRM, where you are managing the relationships with your existing clients and with your prospective clients. You are making sure that you are mailing them about the latest services, the latest offers, the latest products, the some informational topics that you want to share with them. All of these things, you are having a CRM where you are managing the relationships with your existing clients and your prospective clients. This is a real important thing that you should be having before you even think of having a website. So having a CRM, build up these social media pages, and you are pretty much done. Now if you think that you also need a website, start with a landing page, a small one pager website that exactly tells about the problems that you are solving, about something about the services and how they can reach out to you. You want to schedule a consultation, or you want the people to call you back, or you want them to fill up a contact form. Have a small single landing page with not a lot of information everywhere, just what problems you are there to solve and how people can reach out. So have a small landing page, have a CRM, have all those social media pages active, and you are pretty much done. Now if you think that you still need a website, then go for a 4-5 page website. And once you have a website, your responsibility increases multiple fold. Your website cannot be an inactive website that you once built and forgot. No, it has to be an active website with regular content updates, blog updates, and a lot of activity happening on the website consistently. So you cannot leave an inactive website, rather choose to have an active website. So only invest in a website when you are ready to invest in. You are able to do a lot of on page, off page SEO activities, else it is a waste. So if you are prepared to have a website, make sure that you have a website, you have a CRM, you have all those social media pages, and you are able to invest regularly on maintaining the website, doing some SEO, doing some blog postings, and all of these things. Only if you are ready with all of these things, choose to go with a website. Else, keep yourself small. Figure out the other things first before going and building up a website. Yes. I hope this was of some help to you. If yes, or if no, do feel free to ask me any of the queries or any questions that you have, and I will be very happy and glad to answer all of them to you. Until then, have a good day. See you tomorrow. Bye bye.